Let's move on then. On to a CNBC TV18 exclusive. Anshu Sharma caught up with Naveen Jindal, chairman of JSPL. She started off by getting his reaction on the extension of MIP and, of course, the several other protectionist measures that have been taken by the government.
I think it's a very welcome step, and this shows the intent of the government. The government wants the steel industry in India to keep running and not to close shop because of unfair trade practices adopted by countries like China.
So what is the status of 5/25 and the debt restructuring of the whole group? Where do you stand currently?
So most of the 5/25 JSPL has already achieved. JPL was done a long time back. So that's all we were expecting, and that's already, most of it has been achieved.
And in terms of expansion, Hon'ble was supposed to go for expansion for the second phase. What happens to your expansion plans? How do you think you'll achieve that?
See, Hon'ble plant was based on coal gasification technology. I had a dream that we have to set up a large steel plant which uses indigenous high ash coal. So this plant was to be based on truly Swadeshi raw materials. But then this coal block was cancelled. The coal block based on which we set up for the first time in the world a coal gasification plant to make DRI and to make steel. So when the coal block was cancelled, so our cost of coal has gone up many times, and we also do not get consistent quality of coal because we are dependent on buying from e-auction from different mines. So now we are working on setting up a blast furnace, coke oven, sinter plant there, which will be complete hopefully by March next year. And then our dependence on our coal gasification plant would reduce tremendously. So that would, so we are hoping that from all these divestments that we are doing, we are divesting our 1000 megawatt, which was India's first mega power project and the most successful one. We have already signed a deal with JSW, and so with the proceeds of the divestment, we will complete our projects.
And before we sign out, an update from Rio.